Mickey and Dave's house. And for Mickey, that is a deal breaker. Look who's here, our homeowners.
How do you think we did on the career panel? You think we gave good advice? You think so? You were a very good boy. Very good boy. I'm very proud. Ooh, baby stretchums. Baby stretchum, you did good work. What's up, homegirl? You letting the flies in? Want me to come out there with you? I'll come out there with you. Did you have a good day off, Vivi?
Remember the fear they struck in the recesses of opponents, and now they're going to have to hope their Saints can do something to slow them down.
Time is life's most precious commodity, especially when you have metastatic breast cancer.
Henry, please be very careful. Henry, go play on the floor. Not on my couch. Sure, boy, it's not my fault you sitting here like a unit. She's mad at you. Henry, you're making me nervous. I know Henry was so calm, cool, and collected all day. We knew this time was going to come. We knew that Hanky had to get out. Oh, just trying to get the hot book for you. I keep clean, girl. Looking beautiful. What's up, Hank? Look at that moisturized nose. Looking good. Gotta look fresh on a Friday night for sitting at home.